Python Pandas replicate rows in Dataframe. If the Dataframe looks like and I wanna duplicate rows with a holiday equal to true, I can do. But is there a better way to do this, as I need to duplicate holiday rows 5 times, and I have to append 5 times if using the above way.
You can put df_try inside a list and then do what you have in mind.
Other way is using concat function.
This is an old question, but since it still comes up at the top of my results in Google, here's another way. Say you want to replicate the rows where col1 equals b. You could replace the 3 if val equals b else 1 in the list interpretation with another function that could return 3 if val equals b or 4 if val equals c and so on, so it's pretty flexible.
Appending and concatenating is usually slow in Pandas, so I recommend just making a new list of the rows and turning that into a data frame, unless appending a single row or concatenating a few data frames.
You can do it in one line. Or
Follow the post society.